Hi guys and welcome back. This is the reading for Aries, so Sun, Moon, Rising, or if your Venus is sitting in the sign of Aries, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you guys is the Sun. So a lot of bright positive things are happening in your life. There's a big possibility that you and your partner, you might plan a baby, and the good news for the baby, might come in the month of August. There's also a possibility you guys could be planning a romantic getaway, but I do see, a lot of romantic feelings, a lot of romantic things are coming up for you in the next couple of months. The next card that I have for you guys is the Ace of Swords. So Ace of Swords tells me, in your relationship, you're finally going to get the breakthrough. So if you are in a stage of trying to get to know each other, with the Ace of Swords, especially following August, so after the month of August, or um, after a couple of time, I think you'll finally find that sense of comfort with each other, that you'll turn very open. You see how open they are, how they are expressing themselves very clearly. So that seems to be, a very big theme for you in the coming months. So you and your person are finally going to get open. So if you are talking to somebody, or you have been spending time with somebody and you want to know how things are going to move forward, well, this is exactly what is going to happen moving forward. The next card I have for you guys is the Seven of Swords. So Seven of Swords, I think when there is going to be some kind of breakthrough, what you will finally realize is that initially, during the dating phase, or when you guys were getting to know each other, there might have been something that this person or you might have omitted from your partner. So omitted in a sense, like you didn't disclose it because you thought they would turn their back on you, and that is something which is going to happen later on, because in the future, when you express it, when you tell them, they're going to know about it. But this is important for your growth, for the growth of your relationship moving forward. This is very, very important for you, and that's something you have to tell your partner. So you guys might go through a certain bit of time where despite this, despite being very open with each other, very honest, and in this circle of comfort with each other, you'll finally come to a moment where you really need time alone to understand. So you might turn your back on your person, just so you can think about whatever talk, or whatever that particular situation is that you've got to know about. The next card that I have for you is the Two of Swords. So it seems like there are a lot of things going on. Swords seem to be your highlight. A lot of things are going on, and then with the Two of Swords, it's a choice. So when this thing happens, which I suggest it should happen, you should tell this person and be very honest about them, because it seems like you have good potential with this person. So when this thing happens, you are going to have an option. You'll have an option to start over. You'll have an option where this person is going to get to decide whether, when, and how they want to continue this relationship moving forward with you. The next card I have for you is the Nine of Wands. So Nine of Wands finally tells me that despite the hard times, despite whatever goes on during this time, you're going to finally find your way back to each other. So you are going to be in this energy, when there are birds, there are animals surrounded around you, and it's just you and them. You look at each other and your world is complete, nothing else matters. But this particular situation is important for you to be able to come back to this situation. The next card that I have for you guys is the King of Wands. See, there's going to be a lot of passion, there's going to be a lot of love, and you will finally figure it out. So don't worry. Just because you couples tend to leave out a lot of things in the initial days because of the fear of judgment, and I think something similar is going to happen to you guys as well. But overall, in your relationship, I do see a lot of passion. I do see there's a lot of emotional connection, and you guys are very open with each other's bodies. So if you are together in a setting, you're very intimate. You are able to connect with each other, not only in the physical form but also on the emotional plane or in the spiritual plane. The next card I have for you is the Eight of Wands. See, moving forward, everything is going to happen really, really well. There are big chances that you will finally get the date night that you have been looking for, and you're going to spend a lot of time bonding with each other, understanding each other, getting to know each other. So these cards are amazing. Like, your reading is amazing for the in terms of your love. And this is like, this reading is going to resonate whenever you watch it, so don't worry about it. The next thing I have for you is to stay optimistic about your love life. See, despite whatever is going on, even from the oracle cards, what they are telling you is positive thinking and faith will bring you romance, so don't worry about it. If you have something to say, just say your truth out loud. Don't worry about what the other person thinks, or how they'll react, because you are doing your karma, and then this person has to do their karma. The next card that I have for you guys is passion. See, I told you, it works. This reading is for you. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. So something is going to happen. Your passion is going to come back, despite a little bump in the road where things will not go as you want them to go. But overall, things are going to come back on track, and you will experience that passion that you felt with this person in the initial days, or during the start of your relationship. But definitely, I do see travel plans. I do see a lot of communication. If this person has not been communicating with you, well, yes, this person is going to come back and they'll start communicating with you. Let me know if this reading resonates, and I'll see you guys next time.